Good morning, traders. This is your critical key preparation with Alpha Fibonacci system. Far in advance, before market open, you understand and know. Price reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, which means this is not the place to short, this is a place to buy from. Software running on your left, you're extremely well prepared. You understand today and tomorrow will define markets for weeks and months to come. Spectacular bullish rallies today and tomorrow are crucial for US markets long term, are critical for long-term investor. We are testing critical key institutional levels next. And if we're not finding powerful buying power, it's a problem, as you're witnessing in front of you now. Junky bearish pullbacks in these markets are common. That's a danger of bearish markets. These junky bullish pullbacks can last hours. We discussed with students market oversold, which means it's a problem for shorts and it's a problem for longs, which means there is only one good news that can happen here: powerful buying. If we are not seeing powerful buying, if price stuck in bullish correction, it's a problem for retail trader. Retail trader does not trade the weakness. Retail trader interested only in trading the power. That simplicity of the system, it's in front of you right now. Market been in bullish correction for the last hour. So when you're preparing for your trading day, you understand extremely well. Today and tomorrow, historical levels in front of you that will define not just day trading, but your long-term investment positions. It is essential you understand that. So here's a short with a software prior. Precise entry, stop and target. And when price reaches reversal zone, price reverses. Trade played out on multiple other charts. I project software on 3-minute chart. Currently, intelligent trader monitoring for powerful bullish reversal. If none, counter trend bullish move only. This morning at the market open. That's it. So if I convert this chart to 5, to 3, to any chart you choose to trade, this is a market. And you know this hours and days in advance. You understand the only place to short from is here. The only good event that will play out this morning is spectacular buying. Again, no matter what chart you trade, this is Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone in a play in front of you right now. Intelligent trader has scanners running in front. Intelligent trader monitoring the charts for the points of entry. Rules are met, trader takes a trade. Rules are not met, no trade is taken. So it is essential to prepare for your trade far in advance. It is essential to understand that today and tomorrow bullish days are extremely important, not just for day trader, but for investor. With the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, you understand this extremely well. In every single class, I discuss not just day trading, but long-term entries. So if you understand where the long is coming from, again, I'm projecting software on 5-minute chart. You understand the extremely important moment. You understand extremely well what the crucial target will be as a counter trend move picking up. Spectacular bullish rally this morning is the key. So if you understand far in advance where the problem is, as we're discussing with students, this is a critical key break wall to the upside. This defines bullish weakness. Again, trades playing out in other different charts, but far in advance we're discussing with students. This is brick wall to the upside. This is critical this morning. If buyers struggling, buyers are weak. No speculation here whatsoever. Strategic, intelligent, precision only. Buyers picking up this steam from reversal zone. We're seeing spectacular bullish power. Is the best case scenario this morning. Because you cannot short near this level. Your only option to buy from. So when you are prepared far in advance and you strategizing with ultimate precision, all the stress goes away. All the pain is gone. Trading room is open for you to see precision in the live markets and to ask questions. In the trading room, we review different instruments. Key moment in front of you. And if spectacular bullish rally picking up this steam, Alpha Fibonacci system picked it up from ultimate bottom. That's the power of the system. It identifies retail and institutional reversal zone on all instruments, all time frames. It is absolutely your personal preference. What chart, what instrument you will decide to trade. Key moment this morning. Now, 44.47 is critical level. So while price struggling immensely on this retail chart, let me remind you extremely important event. And let me remind you where sellers coming from. Bullish rally on weekly chart overextended. This is a critical key level to the upside. This is your institutional zone. If market crushes, this level is out. This level is next. Next 2 days, institutional days. Next 2 days will define markets for months to come. And it all starts from the bottom. And it's all in front of you. Key moment now. That's it. And that's simplicity. And this is a key event that changed so many traders' lives and success stories forever. You do not need many trades. Listen carefully. What you need is quality. Add the lot size. Converting this chart to 1 for ultimate precision. Trading playing out on multiple charts. Key moment now. But again, identical key moment, as you will see next, playing out on Apple, playing out on Tesla, playing out on Bitcoin. The only difference on long-term instruments, you simply holding position for days, weeks, and months. So when I work with institutions, they do not trade little charts, but retail traders do. That's it. Key target is reached. Scale out accordingly to your lot size. And if price crashes next, it's because this level is crucial and key. If you're trading single lot size, you are completely out. If you're trading multiple lot sizes, 70% of your position is out. That's it. No speculation here. Ultimate precision only. So if today you start with a single lot and you walk away and you close the computer, by the end of each profitable month, you add the lot size. By the end of the year, you're trading 10 lots. By the end of 2 years, you're trading 20 lots plus. By the end of 5 years, you're trading 50 lots plus. That's it. Your trading day is done. You walk away. You trade with 100% success rate, with ultimate precision, with rules-based system, traded globally on all instruments. So as you're witnessing identical levels on S&P reached, you understand far in advance this is key event. Identical key event playing out currently on Apple. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. You install Alpha Fibonacci tool with proprietary settings and apply this to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. The only difference on Apple, you're holding position for weeks and months. An ultimate critical key target on Apple is reached. We're discussing long-term trends, long-term trades in the classes all the time. And if S&P collapses, no one is surprised. As in the course you learn, this is key target. Clear on that? That's it. And that's how you trade all instruments, all time frames, with precision, with rules. No speculative targets, no speculative entries. All precise. So when you decide to short the market, here's the software on short. Precise entry, stop and targets. Price reversed from reversal zone. Ideal short comes from the bold red zone. So if you're done speculating, done losing money, I look forward to working with you.
Fibonacci, the golden
Please come to the website and use the movie student made about Fibonacci
and
Trading
exact
Institute.
same patterns repeat in
Next
finance.
month, I will be celebrating 13 years, teaching traders all over the world my system. JP Morgan traders trading Alpha Fibonacci system. What you trade is absolutely your personal choice. Richard retired trading options on Tesla. CEO trading Forex on MT4. None of this requires software, none. It is absolutely your personal choice, what you choose to trade. So when you listen to Richard's podcast, Theo's podcast, when you listen to Pablo's podcast, I'm speaking with him tomorrow. He was a full-time attorney, currently he's a full-time trader. Absolutely your personal choice, platform, instrument, time frame you trade, as proven by traders all over the world. So simply listen to the podcast, view students' performance, and understand if these traders can do it, so can you. Choose a package appropriate for you. Private mentoring, only one package left. Savings $8,000. Group course second, savings $5,000. Every single option includes video library of more than 300 videos plus group course, trading room, and over 300 videos you can view 24/7. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. All lifetime systems, all lifetime software. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Today I teach institutional class. Oil news is next.